Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to make Facebook highlights private, whether you're using an iPhone or Android device. This includes featured stories and highlights that stays on your profile, so let's just get started. You can start by opening up the Facebook application and create up a story. And then before posting the story, you can just go ahead and select your audience. So you can go over and select share. And once you select share, it should start sharing. You may just wait for a few seconds and you can set up the privacy settings. So when it is posted, you may just tap on your story and tap on the three dot at the top. And from here, you can select the option for edit story privacy. And when you do, you can select the option of public, friends, and custom, like whom you would want to share. You can share it with only the people that in the group will be able to see that story. And if you later add it on your highlights, it will keep the same privacy. So let's say I would only like for my friends to be seen, like only my friends to be able to see my story. So you can see the changes. And once you save the changes, and when you head back like this, it should update your story. Now, once the story is updated, what you can do is you can just go ahead and highlight it as well. So for that as well, you can either go to your profile and highlight it, or you can look out for your story, tap on it, and from there look out for the highlight option at the top. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and tap on collections, and or you can add up a new highlight as well and add up a new highlight. Once you do so, you can just go to your profile, and then from your profile you should be able to see your highlight. Now you can just go ahead and tap on it, and now you can just go ahead and edit them or delete them and tap on any highlight from here, and you can just go ahead and select the specific highlight, and that there we go. So you can just go ahead and follow up these settings in order to prevent public stories that could be added to highlights. You can just go ahead and arrange your privacy and maintain your privacy like this and limit the visibility of your past stories or stories. So therefore, that's it. That is how you manage and make your Facebook highlights more private. So if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.